Hello, everybody. I'm here to talk about the legal grounds related to divorce in India. Unlike the previous ages, where divorce was quite an uncommon topic to speak about, in the present time we can see that a lot of people have heard and know about what divorce is. However, knowing about what divorce is and actually getting a divorce are quite two different things. Because as simple as the word sounds, as the complicated the process is. As India considers marriage to be a sacred union between two individuals, an eternal union that binds them together, divorce is considered to be a quite complicated process where the parties who decide to dissolve their marriage must provide a valid reason as to why they want to do the same. However, there are some common legal grounds in order to get divorce. These common legal grounds have been accepted by all the legal enactments that are related to divorce law. The legal enactments related to divorce law are the Indian Divorce Act 1868, the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, the Dissolution of Marriage Act 1939, the Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act 1936. These four acts or legal legislations or amendments accept these 8 common grounds in order to get divorce. The 8 common grounds are as follows: adultery, desertion, insanity, conversion, renunciation, cruelty, venereal diseases, presumption of death. First one, adultery. If it is proved that the respondent had voluntary sexual intercourse with someone other than their spouse after the solemnization of marriage, such an act can be used as a ground for divorce. Desertion. Desertion is a situation where a spouse was deserted for a period more than 2 years. Then the other partner can file for divorce. Insanity. Insanity, however, cannot be considered as a ground for divorce, as a final ground for divorce. When I say that it cannot be considered, what I mean is that only until it's proved that the spouse cannot live with their partner, as it can cause them harm both physically as well as mentally, then only can insanity be considered as a ground for divorce. Fourth is conversion. Conversion is when the spouse converts to another religion. Then the partner can file for divorce. Renunciation. Renunciation is a situation where the husband renounces the world and enters the holy order or the holy world. In such a situation, the husband is considered to be civilly dead and the wife can file for divorce. Cruelty. Cruelty, as we all know, is considered to be a common ground for divorce. In today's world, we can see that cruelty is something that can be seen in a lot of households. Cruelty basically is a situation where there is apprehension in the partner that staying with this particular person could cause them physical as well as mental harm. And in such a situation, filing divorce is considered to be the only option that they have. In such situations, divorce can be granted. Venereal disease. Venereal disease is a situation where the partner is suffering from a serious disease that is quite communicable. And as it is communicable, then divorce can be filed, such as HIV or sexually transmitted diseases. The 8th and the last ground for divorce is the presumption of death. The presumption of death is a situation where the partner, which is the respondent, has not been heard about for a period of 7 years or more. No one who is close to that person has heard about that particular person, or there's no indication as to that particular person is still alive. In such a situation where there's no sign that the particular person is alive, then the petitioner can file for a divorce as the respondent would be presumed as dead. Leprosy was considered to be a ground of divorce. However, the 2018 amendment of personal law bills removed this particular illness as a ground for divorce. However, sodomy, bigamy, bestiality, and convictions for offences such as rape can be considered as a ground for divorce. However, these are the common grounds for divorce. There are other grounds for divorce that can be seen in the personal laws that are prescribed for each religion and that are made on the basis of the religious beliefs and convictions. That topic can be understood and studied in the later classes. I hope that you understood the common grounds of divorce and I hope it helps you. Thank you for your attention.